As developers, we have a unique superpower, the ability to automate literally everything, including our own accountability. Today, we're building automation workflows that run 24/7 because touching grass is optional, but automating the reminder to touch grass, that's mandatory. First, let me introduce n8n, the free open source alternative to Zapier. You know, that tool that costs $69 a month just to connect your email to Slack? This thing was literally built by a developer who looked at Zapier's pricing, said screw it, and built his own version. And the best part, it's completely self-hostable. Your data, your server, your rules. So what can you actually do with this thing? Developers can auto-deploy Docker containers on every GitHub PR merge. Content creators can automatically share videos across every social platform the second they upload. And degenerates can scrape sports stats and use AI to suggest which bets to place next week. The crazy part? You don't write a single line of code. Even crazier, you can run it locally in 5 seconds. Just open your terminal and type npx n8n. Boom, that's it. You're in. But localhost is cute for testing. For real 24/7 automation, you need actual hosting. But if you don't have the money for a dedicated server or the time to set it up, Hostinger, the sponsor of today's video, is your best option. Just click the first link in the description, select a VPS plan in the region you want it hosted in, pick a base Linux system, or better yet, skip all the manual setup and use Hostinger's pre-built n8n template for a one-click deployment in minutes. Set a password, choose your plan, and you're done. And if that's still a bit expensive, you can use my code, CODEHEAD, at checkout for an additional 10% off. Now, here's why this is worth it. Hostinger is up to 4 times cheaper than hosted automation solutions. And unlike those, your data stays private and secure on your own server. You also get full control, unlimited bots, workflows, and integrations with no restrictions. And if you ever need more power, you can scale your resources anytime with just a few clicks. As I said, plans start at just a few bucks a month. And if you want to save even more, use my code, CODEHEAD, at checkout for an additional 10% off. Thanks to Hostinger for sponsoring this video. All right, now that we're in, let me show you around. This is your workflow canvas. Think of it like Figma, but for automation instead of design. On the right, you've got hundreds of possible integrations. Google, Slack, GitHub, OpenAI, literally everything. You can start from templates if you want. There's a whole library of pre-built workflows. But we're not using templates today. We're building from scratch because that's more fun and you'll actually learn something. Let's build something stupid but practical. Here's the concept. I code late at night. Like way too late. We're talking 2 a.m., 3 a.m., sometimes 4 a.m., and I need someone to tell me to touch grass. But I don't have friends who stay up that late, so I'm automating it. We're building a bot that checks the time every hour, and if I'm still coding past 10 p.m., it yells at me via Slack with AI-generated insults. Because what's scarier than a Slack notification at 2 in the morning? All right, let's go. First, we need a schedule trigger. We want this to run every hour, so I'll set it up as such. Next, we need to add some logic to check if it's actually late at night, because we don't want this thing yelling at us at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. Add a code node. We're going to write a simple function that checks if the current time is between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. And since I'm literally recording this at midnight, it will return true. Now, let's add a visual check to make our workflow cleaner and easier to understand. Click the plus button on your code node and search for if. Add an if node. In the if node configuration, set it up so that if the should remind value is true in the previous node, the workflow continues down the true path. If not, the workflow stops. Now for the fun part. This is where we bring in a clanker to roast us. Click the plus button on the true output of your if node and search for OpenAI. You'll find a node called Message a Model. Add that. First, you need to connect your OpenAI account to create some credentials. I already have those set up, so I will just select which one I want. Once that's connected, select your model. I'm using GPT-4o Mini because it's cheap and fast. I mean, we're not writing a novel here. We're generating roasts. Now comes the prompt. In the prompt field, we're going to write instructions for the model. I wrote a simple prompt defining a degree of roasting depending on the hour of the night. Last step, we need to actually send this message somewhere. Click the plus button on your OpenAI node and search for Slack, then send the message. First, you need to create the Slack credentials and the Slack bot you will use. You can look it up online. It takes like 2 minutes. I set mine up already, so I will just select those. The resource is message, and the operation is send in our case. Then we have to select the channel we want to send the reminder to. I set up a new channel just for that. And then all that's left to do is to put the message that ChatGPT generated in the message text field. And if we execute the node, we see that the message was sent. Now let's test this entire thing. At the top of your workflow canvas, you'll see a button that says execute workflow. Click it. Watch as each node lights up and processes in sequence. The schedule trigger fires. The code node checks the time and passes the data along. The if node evaluates if it's late at night. The OpenAI node sends your prompt to GPT and waits for a response. You'll see the response come back in the node's output tab. Now switch over to your Slack workspace. If everything worked correctly, you should see your message appear in whatever channel you configured. This is the power of n8n. 5 nodes, maybe 10 minutes of setup after you create your ChatGPT API key and your Slack bot, and now you have a workflow that runs completely autonomously every single hour, checking if you're still awake and toting when you shouldn't. n8n has over 8,000 workflows. It's self-hosted, free forever, and honestly, one of the most powerful automation tools I've ever used. You can connect literally anything to anything. RSS feeds to AI, webhooks to databases, GitHub to Discord, email to Notion. Your imagination is the only limit. Well, your imagination and your API rate limits.